So guys, the week have started. Today is Monday morning, you understand? And you guys know I cannot hide my side hustle. This is my side hustle, you understand? But there's something I'm seeing on the chat that I want to show you guys. You understand? JPUSD break this particular low. As you can see, JPUSD break this particular low, you understand, last week. Then what exactly are we expecting as the market break the low? We are expecting a retest, you understand, but that retest happened on 1 hour time frame that Friday, you get. So the retest happened on 1 hour time frame that Friday, which is this particular area. Which is this particular area let me which is this particular area. This is where the retest happen. Immediately as the market break to the downside, it retest, then come back to the downside. This is where the market close. You understand? As you can see, I'm overlaying it here. Then today candlestick open and go aggressively to the resistance level again. So what exactly are we expecting? We'll be expecting either what we'll be looking out for. We'll be waiting for the market to close. If it will close, if it will break above this particular resistance level, then what are we going to look out for? If the market, as it moves from this particular area and approaching this resistance level, if the market can break above the resistance level to the upside, then what exactly are we going to do? We expect the market to retest. When it retests, then it will retest and go to the upside. You understand? This is exactly what I'm looking out for. And there is a fair value gap here that we'll be looking out for the market to reach before we do anything. You get, there is a fair value gap at the top here. You understand? As you can see, there is a fair value gap. Just concentrate on what I'm doing on my phone here. Yeah, on my phone here. So there's a fair value gap here at this area where the market should go and tap on if the market break this particular resistance level, where the market is presently. Once we see a breakout of this particular resistance level, it will retest, then go to this particular fair value gap, then form something like a head and shoulder on the 4 hour time frame. Let me go to 4 hour time frame so that you guys will see. On the 4 hour time frame, it will form something like a head and shoulder. Okay, then this is it. This is it. This is the shoulder. As you can see, this particular arrow, where the arrow is now, is the shoulder. This is the head. Then it will go up, create another shoulder around here before it will break to the downside. You understand? This is exactly what I'm looking out for. You understand? So let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to be. Because what the market is doing, I don't know, but let's see how it's going to be. Once it break out of this particular resistance level, this particular resistance level, as I say, then it will be targeting this particular fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame. Then it will break to the downside. You understand? That's exactly what I'm looking out for this morning, today, which is Monday. You understand? Then let's see how it's going to be, and I will keep on updating you guys till this particular trade played out. That's exactly what I'm looking out for. So I'm going to put a buy order here. I'm going to put a buy order here. Once it comes to this particular area and bounce back, then we'll be targeting this particular area. We'll be targeting here. Then our stop loss will be around somewhere. We'll be targeting 122. We'll be targeting 122. Our stop loss will be around somewhere here like this. You understand? This is exactly what I'll be expecting. You understand? Once it break the resistance level that is approaching. So let's see how it's going to be. Yeah,